On both sides of the bumper, right above the headlights, you'll see the 7mm bolt right here. That has to be removed. Do this to both sides. Then switch to a 10mm and remove these 4 bolts here. That frees up this top piece here. Let's take off this retainer for the air intake. For me, someone used a nut and a bolt here to clamp it all down. For you, it might be different. On each side of the bumper, right here where it meets the fender, if you pull the fender liner back, that exposes a 10mm bolt. Let's take that out. And then if you just follow it down here, there should be a couple push clips. Take out whatever is holding your fender liner to the bumper cover. All right, this part is free. Do the same to both sides. On the underside of the bumper, you'll see some 7mm screws as well as a push clip right there, but basically just follow it along and take all of them off. I took all of them off under here, so the bumper is free from this splash shield as well as both side shields. If you have fog lights, you'd go ahead and disconnect them now. My vehicle doesn't, so I'm just going to take the bumper cover, pull it out on the side here. Just like that, it's clipped in. Pull it up over the hood latch at the front. Do the same to the other side. Now grab it, pull it away from the vehicle. Now it's time to put the bumper cover on, and I'm going to slide it up from underneath. That way it grabs all the shields and pulls them up with it. Okay. Line it up. Make sure it goes under the headlights, of course. Over the hood latch here. Line it up on the sides. I'm going to put these top 4 bolts in. That way it's secured. I won't tighten them, but I'll just run them down. Once I clip it all into place, I'll come back and snug them. Press the sides in. So now I know that it's positioned where it needs to be. Snug these up. Right on the headlight brackets here, there were 7mm screws. Let's reinstall these. One on each side. Let's get the side mounting bolts back in. And I had 2 push clips on this side, one up here, and one down here. There should be 3, I only had 2. Do the same to the other side. 3 7mm screws going on this shield here. Now you want to just follow it along and put back all the screws that were holding all of your shields in place. Resecure this over here. Again, I had my nut and bolt. Whatever you have securing yours, go ahead and put that on. Snug it up.